Hi everybody! In this video, we are going to evaluate algebraic expressions. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to correctly evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variables. Correctly find appropriate values of the variables that will make a given algebraic expressions true. And properly solve real-life problems involving algebraic expressions. Now, when we evaluate an algebraic expression, that means that we have to simplify or reduce the expression down to a single numerical value. Take note that variables can assume multiple values. Hence, in evaluating an algebraic expression, we have to substitute numerical values to the variables. So, magsasubstitute lang tayo. Let's say meron tayong x, papalitan lang natin yung x ng isang value. Example, evaluate the algebraic expression 2x plus 1 if x equals 1. So, sinasabi dito, kung ang x daw ay papalitan natin ng 1, ano ang magiging value ng 2x plus 1? So, in order to evaluate the algebraic expression, we substitute the numerical value to the variable. Hence, we have 2x plus 1. Yung x, papalitan natin ng 1. And just like I said in our previous lesson, that if we have a constant and a variable side by side, it means multiplication. Okay? And so we have 2 times 1. So, eto sana x. Pinalitan na natin siya ng 1. And bakit nagkaroon tayo ng parentheses? Of course, it's multiplication. And yung sabi ko sa previous lesson natin, refrain from using x to mean multiplication because we use x in algebra, we use x as a variable. Okay? So, instead for multiplication, we can use dot or parenthesis like this one. Okay? To mean multiplication. So, we have 2 times 1 plus 1. Galing dito yung plus 1. Ibig sabihin, pinalitan lang natin si x. Alright? So, 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus 1, that is 3. So, we have 2 times 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Let's have an example. Find the value of algebraic expression 9x minus y over x plus y for x equals 3 and y equals 2. Ngayon, meron na tayong dalawang values. So, magre-replace tayo or magsasubstitute tayo ng dalawang values din. So, we have 3 for x and 2 for y. And that is, we are going to substitute the given values for the variables and then simplify the expression. So, ito yan, 9x minus y over x plus y. So, ito siya, no? So, papalitan natin lang lahat ng x ng 3 at lahat ng y ng 2. So, we have yung 9x, ibig sabihin 9 times x. So, we have 9 times 3. Again, pinalitan natin si x ng 3. Minus, yung y natin ay 2. So, minus 2. X plus y. So, that is over. X natin is 3. Plus, and then, pinalitan natin si y ng 2. 9 times 3 is 27. Kaya, we have here 27. Minus 2. And then, 3 plus 2. Ayan, 3 plus 2. Ito naman, pwede nang diretso ito, no? Kasi, minus 2, wala namang ibang numbers dito. Pwede na diretso minus 2, wala nang parentheses. Yung 3 plus 2, pwede na diretso na ganito, 3 plus 2. Wala namang kasing ibang number na i-multiply sa kanila. So, pwede na yan, 3 plus 2, diretso. Alright? So, we have 27 minus 2, that is 25. Ito na lang pa, hindi tayo malito. 27 minus 2, that is equal to 25. Alright, over 3 plus 2 is 5. So, 25 divided by 5, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of the expression when x equals 3 and y equals 2 is 5. Ayan siya, oh. Okay. Therefore, the value of the algebraic expression for x equals 3 and y equals 2 is 5. Alright? Let's have another example. Maria is 5 more than thrice the age of her son. Si Maria, of course, siya yung mother. 5 more than thrice the age of her son. So, in 2 years, how old will Maria be if her son is 10 years old now? Okay. So, let's try to understand first. Ano ba yung tinatanong dito? What is being asked? What is asked? So, the age of Maria in 2 years. So, yun ang tinatanong. Ilang taon na si Maria after 2 years? Right? So, let's list down the given. Represent the unknown quantities using variables. So, we can use S, be the age of the son. Bakit S, ma'am? Pwede ring X, pwede naman kahit na anong variable. Kaya lang mas maganda kasi son, S. Kaya S. Since Maria's age is 5 more than thrice the age of her son, the age of Maria is 3S plus 5. Bakit? Kasi 5 more than. Take note of the word than. So, mauna yung thrice the age of her son. So, thrice the age meaning 3 times S. So, we have 3S. 5 more than that. So, plus 5. So, Maria's age is 3S plus 5. Okay? So, the son's age is S. Maria's age is 3S plus 5. So, create the working equation. So, Maria's age in 2 years will be yung age niya ngayon plus 2. Okay? And so, solve the problem. Substitute the given value, that is S equals 10. Kasi sabi, how old is Maria in 2 years if her son is 10 years old now? So, yung son niya ngayon ay 10 years old. So, let's substitute this in the working equation. So, Maria's age is 3S plus 5 plus 2. So, we substitute S with, we substitute 10 to S. So, that's 3 times 10 plus 5 and then plus 2. So, 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. And then we have plus 2, and that makes it 37. Therefore, Maria will be 37 years old in 2 years.